So you have a server or computer that is running 24/7 and looking for additional passive income streams that you could utilize on that server? Look no more. I have found one more additional stream for you. Let's check it out. Hello everyone, my name is Andrew, and today we will explore what additional apps we can add to our server that we already have. Okay, actually it will be just one app, one additional app to the server. For example, if you have SC Prime or Chia mining server or computer actually, because it's not necessary to have some powerful server and so on, which is running 24/7, and you want to add something more that you could earn some more passive incomes, look no more. I have found one more very interesting project that can generate you additional passive income. And you don't need to mine your computer like for the CPU 100% and so on to let it work at a full power. No, it's very simple. One additional project that will use just a little bit of your server resources. I think it's really low, and you can get some more additional passive income. And yes, I'm talking about PreSearch engine. What is a PreSearch? It is a decentralized search engine. Now you might say, what? Search engine? We have Google. What else do you want? We have Bing and some other engines. What the nonsense are you talking about? Well, yeah, we have Google. It has a lot of information in it, and most likely you can find almost everything using Google, for example. But do you know that Google sometimes can change the search results to their own needs? Yep, because they can manipulate the results and they can show you something that they think you should see, or not that you, for example, want to see, or you might need much more efforts to find something you really need, because Google probably, for example, will just not show you that information. Yeah, and of course they will take your personal information, they will place the ads everywhere that you might not even know that you press on the ad, not the actual results, and so on and so on. So Google is a huge corporation, and this is decentralized search engine. Yeah, that's really cool, because you can like run a node. Yeah, this is what I was talking about when I mentioned that you can earn the passive income. You can earn the passive income by searching using PreSearch, or you can run a node. So in this case, I'm gonna talk a little bit more about running a node and earning some passive income doing that. It's really simple to run a node. We have some instructions on presearch.com webpage, and we can see like 3 main steps. Install Docker on your computer or virtual server, register your node and get a registration code, and run the node start commands. Of course, there is one more thing that is not mentioned in these 3 steps. You have to stake 2000 PreSearch coins to receive rewards for your node. With current PreSearch price, which is around 10 cents, that would be $200, which is not that much, and as you can get those coins at any time you want. It's not like a node project where you have to buy something and then get the coins back with the rewards only, like strong blocks, for example, where you buy a node, you pay monthly fees, and then you can get those coins you have initially invested after 2-3 months and so on. So in this case, you just stake the coins and you start receiving the rewards. So yeah, that's a small thing, but if you can stake, you can afford, and actually the price is lower than it was before. We can see that the price is 10 cents at the moment. The price is kind of decreasing, kind of increasing, but if you take a look at 30 days chart, we can see that it was 13 cents, then it was like 6, then it was 17, and now we have around 10 cents for one coin. Of course, if the price goes down, as it's going down now, they might increase the amount you need to stake to receive the coins, because before I know that once the project started, the initial stake amount was 1000 coins, but after some time they made like 2000 coins. So at the moment it's around $200. And I'm not gonna talk about how to set up everything up because there are some other videos and tutorial about that. If you're interested, just type in YouTube search and you'll definitely find them. It's not hard to do that at all. Just install the application and run it basically, and that's all. And send some coins to your wallet. Just one thing that you should know before starting a node on your computer, not some virtual server, because many people do like they start many servers like this, but in different locations using virtual servers from other internet providers. You should know that your IP will be widely visible for Google and some other providers or search engines, because if you start it on your personal or on your server computer, which is at your home, for example, so everything will be done from your home location, from your home IP. So you should know that before starting the server, that, for example, if you want to have the anonymity while searching internet, PreSearch is really good option for that. If you want to have anonymity while doing a node on your server, that's not a good idea, because you will not have it, because everything, all crawls of a web page and so on will be done from your computer. It's like you would be going to many websites, taking information and so on. So it will be recorded. So you should know that, keep that in mind, and that's one of the things that you should consider before starting the node on this project. And in their website you can see that in risk and cautions section of the page. If you're running a node locally and not on some outside server, curious routed through your node to external sources, other search engines, databases and APIs could be associated with your IP address. And that means that your IP address will be visible for the Google and some other big tech companies. I started PreSearch node on my server just a couple of days ago, so I don't have accurate results how much you can earn while running a node on your server, and at the moment we don't have exact information about the rewards for the nodes. We can see that most important is to stake minimum of 2000 PreSearch tokens, and at the end there is just a notification that we will update this page soon with the full overview of node rewards, and we can find some information on node rewards announcement. So we have a little bit complicated formula in here, and as we can see, node rewards will be calculated based upon combination of each node's utilization percentage, 50% weight currently percentage, and its staked capacity percentage. So I will not go through all this formula. It's better like to wait to see how much it's possible to get after like 1 week or 1 month while staking running the node. I already got some coins in those like a couple of days, so we can check how many I got in maybe 3 or 4 days, something like that. Okay, actually it's connected only 2 days, almost 3 days, but I sent the coins, those 2000 PreSearch coins, like probably one or 2 days ago, not so long ago at all. And we have some reward calculations. I can see that I have earned a little bit more than 20 PreSearch coins, so that would be around $2 in 2 days. So in 1 month it might be around $30, which is not that bad. Actually, I think it would be more than I receive by mining Chia on my server, on that server, and very similar amount for the SE Prime node. You can check how much I have earned with SE Prime in the link in the description below, but it looks like this is a very similar amount. So individually, this looks like not a lot. $30, like meh, not so much. But if I had like 10 of a project like this, different projects I mean, it's $300. So it's not that bad actually. $300 for the server, which I already have, and so on. So that's really nice. So I'm gonna add some more nodes projects to my server soon, later on, and of course I will let you know what I have added and how much it has earned. So for the PreSearch, I will make a separate video, maybe 1 month, or yeah, I guess after 1 month, and we can check how much is it possible to earn while having a node like this on the server. So please let me know what do you think about this PreSearch node. Are you interested, or maybe you already have on your server? If not, so what do you think? Are you planning to install and run the node on your server or not, especially if you have a SE Prime or Chia or something else that your computer server is running for 24 hours. So yeah, I'm really interested about that, or maybe what you think about PreSearch at all. So please let me know that in the comments, hit that like button if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing. That really helps to grow my channel and to grow up to continue uploading, creating these videos. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Cheers. 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 Cheers, cheers, cheers. Finito.